I'll stand like you.
Okay.
You guys asked for it.
So here it is. Today we're gonna walk you through how to do a front roll
Under a J-toss. You may notice we don't have a mat.
So if this is your first time doing a front roll toss, then we do suggest a mat or outside on the grass to avoid bruises.
Addie is going to show you how to do a proper front roll.
Here are the 3 things you need to remember.
Make sure to tuck your head and to land on this part of your back instead of your head.
The second thing is
use your momentum to put your left foot up in the air when you roll so that it lands over your right foot.
Right foot. The last thing you need to remember is
tuck your right foot under your left leg so that you're ready to pop up and catch the flag. Let's watch it one more time. Once you master the roll, of course you can do it under any type of toss.
But our team is learning how to do it under a double J toss.
A few things you need to remember when doing the toss.
The first thing you want to remember is you want to take a couple of steps while taking your toss prep, because that toss will push your flag far enough and will also give you momentum during your roll.
Another thing you need to remember is
make sure you fully release the flag before attempting your roll.
The last thing you need to remember is
the distance of your toss and the height of your toss need to match your roll. That way when you land your roll and you stand up, your flag falls right in front of you to catch.
And here's a tip. Do the roll without the toss first and put something on the ground to measure where you landed your roll. And then do the toss and make sure it measures up where the object on the floor is.
Sav, is this toss scary?
Yes.
How many times did it take for you to get this toss?
A lot.
Have you ever done it in a show?
Nope.
But that will change.
It will.
So there's really nothing to be afraid of as long as you throw your toss far enough.
And you have to roll fast enough in order to get up on time and catch your toss.
So really, there's nothing to be afraid of as long as you trust yourself and have faith.
Yes! As you can see, I put a saber where she landed her roll last time, so she's going to attempt to land her roll there this time. Let's see that again. Beautiful. So obviously we want to be able to do it without the help of the saber, so we're going to see what it looks like all together. If you want to be able to get this toss, the main thing you have to do is practice.
Technically, I'm the only one who has been able to do this in a live performance on our team, but it did take a lot of practice to get to that point. So the key to getting this toss is practice.
This year, our biggest challenge is for our entire team to master this toss so that we can put it in our flag feature.
We would like to see you get this toss, so tag us if you try it. If we can do it, you can do it.